Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to KidStir. Today is going to be a little bit different than we've ever done before. We're going to have a drawing. And what Miss Kathy and I want you to do is to decorate your cupcake that you're going to get. And there's no right way, wrong way. It's whatever you want. What you're going to get in your bag is we're going to give you a cup of frosting. We're going to give you candy, sprinkles, cookies, all kinds of different things. And you will frost your cupcake and decorate it. Then we're also going to give you 2 slices of bread and a slice of cheese. And what we want you to do is have Mom help you, or older brother or sister or dad, grill your cheese. Put it in the oven, put it on top of a grill, or put it in something like this little waffle iron. This is what we're going to give away. You're going to win one. All you have to do is either send us your picture of your decorated cupcake, or if you prefer to decorate your grilled cheese, and I'm going to do a grilled cheese in this so y'all can see what it looks like. And just send either me or Miss Kathy a picture of it. Anybody that sends us a picture of either your decorated cupcake or your decorated grilled cheese, their name will be put in for the drawing. And next week, Miss Kathy will announce the winners of your own little waffle iron. So if you would like to win this, send us in the picture of your decorated cupcake. This week, we're not showing you any pictures of anything. It's for you to do yourself. We want your originality. So in a few minutes, I'm going to frost this cupcake. Everybody will get a yellow cupcake, and you will get white frosting. If you would like to put food coloring in it, you can do that. If you don't want to use any of what we give you, this one doesn't have sprinkles, but some of you will get sprinkles. This one's got mini chocolate chips, a Hershey Kiss, and a vanilla wafer. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. And that's just one idea. You do not have to do it like that. This is your own original. And I will show you how I do this grilled cheese in here. You do not have to do your grilled cheese like I'm going to do it. This is just an idea. All right, now first we're going to frost our. Now I have like a little paring knife, which has got a kind of a sharp edge on it, which is not the best to frost with, but that's all I had right now. Okay. Got to cover all this. Now this cupcake's one of the smallest ones. That's why I decided to do it. Alright. Alright, there's your frosted cupcake. Alright. Like I said, I've got a vanilla wafer, and I'm just going to stick my vanilla wafer in like that. And I've got some mini chocolate chips, and I've got a Hershey Kiss. You don't want to use them? You don't have to. You're just going to have several things in a bag, and if you choose not to put them on your cupcake, that's fine. You may want to put them on your grilled cheese. All right, I'm going to put the Hershey Kiss right there. And then I'm just going to take a couple of chocolate chips. Now these are mini. and put them on there. there's my cupcake. Not fancy, just plain. But that just gives you some kind of idea. All right, now for the grilled cheese. First thing I'm gonna do is take my crust off of the brick, because this is a mini waffle iron. So we're not going to need the crust on there. So we're gonna take the crust off. If you put it on top of the stove or in the oven, you will not need to do that. And see, I'm taking off a little bit more than usual, because like I said, that is a mini grilled cheese. Or waffle iron, excuse me. So I'm taking off a little bit more than normal. All right, now I've got that. Now you will get a slice of cheese, but your cheese is in cellophane. You will open that up. This is just a piece of cheese I had at home. I'm gonna put it on there, and I'm going to put it on there, and I'm going to take it over here and plug it up because I don't have a plug right here. So okay, we're going to let it cook. It'll take it a few minutes to heat up, but we are after next week, we're going to take a break from KidStir. Now, Miss Kathy's got something really, really cute for you to do next week. And we're not going to do KidStir through the summer, but we will start back in September. Hopefully, maybe by then, we can do in person and maybe do both virtual and in person, because the virtual has worked out nice for those that are working and can't come to the library. So we will probably offer you both. We'll wait and see how things are by the time September gets here. But we've got a lot of wonderful programs coming up for the summer. Just because we're not going to do KidStir during the summer, we still have a lot of fun things. But next week, when you send us your picture, everybody that sends their photo in of how you either decorated your grilled cheese or your cupcake to either me or Miss Kathy, to our email, his name will be put in for the drawing for your little waffle iron. Let's see how it's doing. All right, it's beginning to, see the imprint of it, it's beginning to melt. We'll let it get a little warmer. And for your grilled cheese, once you get it done, if you want to decorate it, put a face on it, that would be fun too. I've got some chocolate chips left. I could put a face on my grilled cheese if I wanted to. But since this has the indentations of the waffle iron, I'm going to leave mine just exactly like that. Now let me bring my plate over here. Ah, see, it's beginning to get brown, see? And let it cook a little bit longer. I'm going to have to go over here and get a fork. I'll walk behind this Amber here. Or maybe just another knife. Ah, here's... This may be so hot it may melt it. All right, I think it's, oh yeah, it's ready to come up. All right. All right, there's my grilled cheese. So it's already decorated. But if you'd like to win one of these, send us a picture of either your grilled cheese or your cupcake. See you next week, boys and girls. Hope you have a great week.